Previously on all my demos.
This isn't the booth layout we approved.
Who would change it?
Who would change it? Only one other person has access.
Was it you?
Maybe.
Why would you change the booth layout?
Because my zone didn't have enough spotlighting, and you know it.
And you did this alone?
Yes?
Lies! I saw DS picked by the printer too!
Wrong again. It wasn't them, and he didn't act alone. I helped him.
Hey, wait. Edge AI? What even is that?
Edge AI is artificial intelligence that runs on the device at the edge of the network, instead of relying on the cloud or a remote data center. For the first time ever, Edge AI will be represented at Embedded World, and we won't be hidden in a corner. This is our customers' first chance to discover what makes us unique and speak to the experts who make it possible. Learn how to build and deploy your own machine learning model onto our 8, 16, 32, and 64-bit MCUs, MPUs, DSCs, and FPGAs.